up, defense. Drop.
How was that a foul?
Win it, Irvin, drop it back. Izana, keep dropping, Izana. Go. Boys, connect the ball closer, come on. 4v1. Dynamo, you need to wake up. You guys see their tempo, okay? Adjust, let's go. Omar, I need you shorter in with the defense, okay? There you go. Wide. He's on it quick. Come on. Pick your head up, Oso. Boys, we're playing kickball out here. Come on. Boys, pick your head up. Let's go. Not in their game at all. Go now, quick, Izana, you have to play. Go.
Between them. AJ, you take this one over your head, drop.
Go easy. Come on, stay on it. Go, up.
Oh.
All ball. Let's go, hey, back up. Irvin, drop now. Quicker. Oh, come on.
Oh.
Stay outside, Irvin.
Release faster, Izana. Little quicker touch. Good, Oscar. Faster touch. Don't.
Come on.
That's yours, Seth. You win it.
Let's go. Quick.
Drop, Izana. Just keep dropping, Izana.
Come on. You're all the way up here, bud. Come on.
Seth, get ready. Online. Win it, Seth. Win it now.
Boys, that ball is hard. Okay, it's going to be bouncing. We need to be in control. We're opening up our hips, so we're communicating. Come on, gentlemen. Omar, you need to be loud. Start controlling it.
Dynamo, let's shape up now. Let's go. Come on. You know your positions. Let's play this now.
Irvin, no lo sigas. Tú quédate go side.
Oh, come on, guys. Corner. Let's mark now, boys. Mark up. It's on the line. got to use his speed just to tap it in, man. Damien, have Damien kick it.
Damien!
Seth, Damien.
Seth, let Damien.
Say, you go inside, go middle. Hurry, get in the middle.
Oh, come on. You're dropping no more. Go easy. Unlucky. Let it be.
Hey, Zana, with your speed, just go in there and just stab at the ball right in front of the goal, okay?
Go, press. Don't let that ball. Go. Y fuera. Yeah, unlucky. Hey, that ball's hard, so we got it. Come on, not here, boys. Out. Revienta. Go easy. These boys have speed, guys. What did we practice this week? Chop. Go. Fuerte. Sigue. Get on it. Dynamo, you guys see the rhythm now. Adjust to it. Come on, boys. They are not better than you, gentlemen. Let's sync up. Stick with the game plan. Isana. Not too heavy on the touch. Short. Good job, Seth. Dynamo, you guys can win this. Let's go. Come on. Stay close. Defense, Armando, Damien. I want you guys a little bit closer. Easy. As soon as we lose the ball, we transition back over here to our defensive line. Irvin, we lose that ball, transition back to defense quick.
Press up, Seth, press up.
Let them go.
Oh, sorry. Keep.
Get on it. We got it. Good, Armando, go. Wide. Go, tap the forward for it. That's the one touch pass right there, easy. Hard, easy. Good, go.
Touch. Who's the support? Armando, come on, support him, Armando.
Keep on it! Now! Drop.
Turn around, boys, let's go!
Go, come on! Seth, jump for him! Where's Omar at? Go, Seth!
He's on a drop with them.
Keep dropping, he's on it. Watch that guy right there, Izzy. Boys, come on. Get rid of it. Omar, Seth, drop. Ya, mándalo, ya.
Drop, he's on a drop. Drop that side, Keep going.
Poke, boys, just a leg. Hey, Defense! Defense! Don't bite. All we got to do is delay and deny them.
Hey,
Don't
Zana,
allow them to take a
for
shot.
that reason, you need to keep going with them, okay? Keep it up. Keep it up. You're doing well.
Let's form it up quick. Don't bite. Seth, yeah, drop back Seth for him. Communicate. Drop, Omar! Stand your ground, easy, go, easy, hard, easy. Puro, Leon, puro. Bien, off him.
Good job, Damien. Back in, get back in, get back in.
Get back on it. Drop,
Keep going, he's on it.
You need to be there, bud.
Keep jogging back. He's on it. If you see Damien come, oh, sorry. Go ahead. Damien, if you see Damien, or he's on it. If you see Damien come out this way, you start going back in the middle, right?
Pressure out, press out, press out. Omar, underneath. Good. Off it. Good job, good job. Go, good. Turn and go. 1, 2. 1, 2.
And on.
Omar, quick.
He's tired.
Johnny, come on.
Touch it. Let's go.
Omar. We need a sprint, boys.
Seth, get ready. Open for him.
You see what's going on with Omar there?
Stay marking, boys. Stay marking.
Rex up. Omar. Zana. Center mid.
Where's your space, Izana? Where do you play? Where do you play?
You have to be transitioning quick. Boys, I need good defensive stance.
I'm lying. Touch it. You got to go to it. You got to go to it. You got to go to it.
Dereta, ándalo.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Hey, let's go. Mark, boys.
Hey. Adam. You guys have to start checking into every single ball quicker, boys. Sprint to the ball. Hey. Yes, Seth, that's it. Go, Irvin, go, Irvin. Go, otra. Don't bite for those. Drop at him hard. Gotta be hard, boys. Come on.
Work, work. Let's go now.
That's it.
Go. Oh. Ugh. We're just kicking. Yeah. Oh, come on. Really?
Go, Seth.
Go, Seth. Go. That's your ball. Your ball all day.
Go, Seth.
Your ball.
Pass him out wide. Come on, Seth. Don't give up. Don't give up. He's on the drop. Go, Damien. Good. Go.
Carry.
Good. Go in. Cut in. Where's your help? Now. Keep dropping.
It's yours, Oscar. It's yours. Set. Man on.
Hustle. Go. Good. Damien.
Hey, ref. Oh, coach. Are they allowed to play with hooded shirts? 11. I'll tell the ref in the halftime. Oh.
Go Adam. Also.
Move up. No offside. Seth. Go up.
Let's go. Come on, Adam. Patience. Go.
Oscar, yours.
Off him.
Oh, settle, boys. Go, Damien. Go, Seth. Go, Irvin. That's yours, Irvin. Oh, middle.
Go, Seth. Go. Everybody needs to be hustling right now. Everybody needs to be working.
Touch. Work. Triangles. Watch the arms, ref. Let's go.
Run. Rest up next time. Check. Mándala. Go.
It's all in the van. That's someone if they can just give you a little bit of water.
Offsides? There's no offsides on that? He's cutting in front of my goalie. Hey, here's the referee, man. He's cutting inside the goalie. It's alright. I've left for 8 years, man. I know. It's alright. How can you be outside? He's cutting right inside. Boys, let's go, Dynamo! Be quick! Quick ball movement. Go, Saul!
Send.
Good. Cutting right into it. Go, Ron. Hustle, Ron. Open up, go. Hard. Sorry, that's our ball.
I got it.
He's on it. Press on him.
Adam, keep dropping. Cover 24.
And the pull, and the push. Nothing over there.
No, Armando's got a couple hands in the face already.
Yeah, I know. She's not going up. Roughs up. Ron.
they score with 8 on the field? They scored with 8? Or they just made the sub?
Anthony, spit on those gloves, make them sticky.
No, Damien's there. Put, I put De La Rosa right, Spencer, you go right mid. Right mid.
Izana, go for that ball. Let's go. Look at that. Kicking you. Quick, 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 quick! Go, go, Izana! Press line, Anthony! Hey! Vamos, Oscar, vamos, Oscar!
Back to keep, back to keep.
Boys, where's my center mid? You guys need to start connecting out there. Get it up, Izana. Come on. Good ball. Get back. Go. Boys, quit biting at that. Vamos, vamos, Omar. Vamos, Omar. Speed, Omar. Hey.
All day.
Go. Irvin.
Omar, Irvin's taking it.
Omar. Stay there just in case they set up to his side.
Play that up a bit. Irvin, did you ask me?
That was last man too.
Did you tell Omar about the redone? Off the,
Yeah.
Okay.
Omar, quédate para el rebote. Damien. A Damián. Irvin, deja a Damián.
This one team, the Ajax, and then
Quédate tú ahí, mis